Don't do this at home. That's why we don't have a home. We just have a boat.
Okay, so the new thing is here. Welcome to Nomad Citizen. We are a multilingual family of rookie sailors slowly discovering the wonders of sailing around the world. Subscribe and discover it with us from scratch. Yes, bye bye.
Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time. Do 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 do.
What's the plan for today?
The plan the workout or the plan of the day?
No, the plan of the day we don't know. The workout.
I don't know.
Yes, we only know.
Maybe thruster.
Absolument pas.
I don't know.
So we decided of a workout, and it will be death by. It means that every minute we do one more rep. So first minute we start with 1 rep, 2 reps, 3 reps, 4 reps. This will help us warm up gradually, and it is mostly at the end that the real workout will start. And the movement is ground to overhead. So let's go!
What's the number of the system?
Exactly, it's an LS165.
On avait un enrouleur des génois Fac Nord, donc on a voulu avoir un enrouleur de génois de trinquette Fac Nord. Et en discutant, ils nous ont proposé de nous offrir l'enrouleur de génois parce qu'il a 20 ans d'âge et qui commençait à montrer des signes de faiblesse. Donc je vais vous montrer la différence entre les deux. Là, j'ai l'enrouleur qui a 20 ans, là j'ai l'enrouleur tout neuf. Voilà, c'est à peu près les mêmes. Bien sûr, ça a évolué en 20 ans. On a l'entreprise Pitkeeping là qui travaille au sud du Portugal, à Portimao, qui nous donne un coup de main aussi, qui nous aide à faire ça un peu rapidement parce que ça s'est fait au dernier moment, juste avant la mise à l'eau. Et du coup maintenant, je vais aller apprendre comment on fait ça, pour un jour espérer le faire moi-même tout seul. Voilà, c'est la première fois que je vois tout ça démonter. C'est la première fois que je vois ça. Boum, je crois que c'est bon. Allez, à tout de suite.
Good morning. How are you? Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sur les thématiques. Ding dong dong, ding dong dong.
Good morning everyone, this is another morning on the dockyard and we continue with everything. Today we will fit back the sails because since we took off the mast, we decided to ask a local professional to check them. He fixed a small bit, but otherwise they're in good condition and they can still last for a few years, so we're very happy. No sail changing for now. And
Just need to clean.
We just need to clean them. But I think they're whiter, no?
If somebody knows how to clean sails.
Yes, if somebody knows how to clean sails, please let us know.
1, 2.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah.
How much does it weigh?
I don't know, maybe heavier than I expected.
Hey.
Hello guys!
You know why we love CrossFit? For all of this.
Oh, yeah.
You know, but we were saying he has a bad habit. He thinks he can lift everything, and sometimes it's too much.
I don't know the way of this, but
Hey,
Yes,
that same boat.
you have the same boat?
They're brilliant.
yes,
Really?
3D tender.
Really good. Yeah, exactly.
Oh!
We're really happy.
Okay, so the new dinghy is here. We just have some water in the fuel tank, so we're trying to get it out.
By the swollen face rolling down.
Okay, we received the dinghy around December. It was delivered directly to Portugal while we were still on Reunion Island. It was wrapped up, but we had some water leaking inside, so today we will clean it, pump it, and install it.
Don't do it at home. Don't do this at home. Don't do it at home.
I mean,
It
there's a
wasn't
I
a
think
good
you-
idea.
I think you do too many things that they shouldn't do at home. I think in every video there's a thing.
It's why we don't have a home. We just have a boat.
All these days, I'm gonna take my time. Everybody moving on so fast. Watch them going down the streets nasty. They heading home and they don't know why. In such a hurry and they miss the sky. They ought to look around. It's true.
This is a Don't Do It Home channel. This is our beautiful old dinghy. It has a lot of flaws, and we used it for 1.5 years, and we decided to go for a rigid, a semi-rigid. We decided not to sell it, and we don't want to throw it away, so we decided to give it away, and we will give it to our friends at Deriva, who will take care of it, repair everything that is needed, and I don't know what.
And shows what
They
to
will-
do.
Yes, they will choose. Either they will keep it or whatever. So they will be here in a few hours to pick it up, and we are taking care of the new one.
Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time.
C'est quoi ça?
Sur le bas. I'm very impressed by the quality. I miss this feeling.
Yeah.
Go.
What you have to do is you have to
Ask someone. Ask a professional.
Yeah, it's probably better. But we put a 2-meter ruler. So 2 meters, okay? And you tape the top of that ruler up here, and the bottom is touching this.
Okay.
And then when this moves up 1 millimeter,
Okay.
it's 5% of the braking load.
Okay.
So we go to 4 to 5 millimeters, which is 20 to 25% of the braking load.
Okay.
And that's then we know how
And you
it's
do
potential.
for all of the...
No.
No.
These ones are the important ones.
Okay.
On your rig, your
Okay.
spreaders are like that.
Okay.
Okay. So these ones on the whole rig are the most important ones.
Okay.
Okay. All these do is they just support the mast. So when you're heeling and the mast is there,
Okay.
this one is just stopping the mast from
Okay.
falling away.
Okay.
You can see the difference, huh? This one is slacker.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because of the architecture of your rig,
Okay.
if we kept pulling this one, Your mast
Yes,
would go like
yeah.
would go like that,
Yes.
and
okay.
it wouldn't be right. Yeah. So this is the absolutely critical one of the whole boat.
Okay.
So this is the load bearing one. This is the one that takes all the load.
Okay.
Obviously, what's very important is to make sure this one.
Tara, non,
Hey,
attends.
Tara,
Tara, d'où tu parles?
12mm full stay, 8mm full stay.
Okay.
So what's very important, can you imagine if I had this under more tension than that?
Okay. It's
This would take the load.
and
So-
break before.
And that,
this.
exactly. So you want this one's the
Okay.
critical one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Having lunch, and then we'll continue everything that we'd have to do on the boat to be able to launch it to the water.
Soon.
I don't believe it when you tell me that you think everything's going fine. You sure got a funny way of showing it.
Who are you? The question is, who are you?
Man, we're friends. We meet up in Anchorage
Yep.
the last summer.
Yes.
And then I have a YouTube channel. It's called Sailing a Deriva. It's totally in Spanish. But I was following you and I saw your boat just beside our boat.
And you spot.
Yeah,
Spot you.
I spot you in Instagram and then I said, man, I cannot believe this is you. And you said, yeah,
No, you say, let's do a CrossFit session.
yeah, yeah, because we saw your videos about, you know, training. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's nice. You're making nice videos.
Thank you.
So you're leaving the dinghy in good hands.
Yes.
I know I'm hard to understand. But I
Next
hope
time,
you
plan
make
to have the
effort
day to-
anyway.
This is on YouTube, guys.
We don't drink any alcohol. I think next time you run, you see the camera. On va aller sur le petit bateau. Oh, she wants to go with you. Oh man.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Demain, on fera un petit tour. Oh. Jesus, hello. Pardon. Tu voulais faire un petit tour de bateau? Promis, on va faire avec ton bateau là-bas. Notre bateau il est là-bas, on fera. D'accord?
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back.
You're sailing
Yeah, go.
on the ground.
Yes, but don't film the ground.
So I found you a game to play.
Elle est où?
Thought I told you to stay away. But I see you here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations. Cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking a name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It's less than to reach your own